Yo, what's up my dogs? I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing the S-Log thingy on the try again because like I realized I made a really big mistake last time. I was supposed to shoot S-Log 2 with the A7C because the A7C doesn't support 10-bit color grading, so whatever I was filming with the S-Log 3 won't be captured technically. So but you saw the video with me, it actually looked good even though I was shooting S-Log 3. So now I'm just trying to work on S-Log 2 now. I kind of work on a lot like trial already, but this is my first trial outdoor. Hopefully it comes out good. So what I learned from most of the video I've been watching is you have to like overexpose kind of your footage whenever you are shooting. So the meter on my camera right now is saying 0 meters. So I'm supposed to be at +1 or +2 in order to get like a really good result for this. So I'm just gonna try to increase to open my aperture. That will increase it. There we go. So right now my aperture is at +2. So technically the result should be better. Technically, I'm gonna try to keep it like that and let's see. I think we stay Gucci here. So all I've been doing is trying to crank up a little bit, +1.7, +2 for the meter. I'm not trying to use the zebra. Most people like to use the zebra. I don't even want to try to use it. But I think S-Log 2 is kind of handling pretty well. So, which is great. And yeah, let's keep going and see how it goes. ¿Puedes ayudarme con el aprendizaje del español?
Claro, ¿habla inglés?
Inglés, yeah.
Ok, dime algo en inglés.
Francés.
No, francés.
No francés?
No, difícil.
Un pique. You want to take picture?
No, pero ya te estás pasando. Que te busque por Instagram. Pero es que yo no tengo Instagram.
Ah, yo no tengo, pero
Okay.
Wi-Fi, prendeme el Wi-Fi.
Here.
Yeah, so add me up on Instagram.
Solo por Instagram.
You never know who you can find outside. Oh, whatever, you just need to get out and just do shit, you know?
It's genius vibes.
I'm just trying that freaking autofocus thing, but the camera is not on my face, so it's not working properly. There we go. Yeah, it's focusing. So whenever you have your face in it, it works great. But when you're working with object, I think the best thing to do is to put it in manual focus. The footage you have been seeing until now was shot in 1/100. So I dropped it from 1/100 to 1/50. And I'm filming in 24 images per second. So let's see if that makes a difference. I'm not even gonna lie, I have some issues with the autofocus, especially in the night time. I don't know if it's because I'm using a crop sensor lens. Maybe if I change the lens, like I get the full frame lens, it will be way better. But can you imagine though, I'm at 64,000 ISO and I need no light. I swear on God that shit is dark, like it's pitch dark. But bro, I can still do my shit. Yo, this is insane. I wasn't expecting that. I'm surprised. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's actually really dark. I'm at 5,000 ISO currently and the light is still good, which is great. So guys, I'm at 25,600 ISO and As you can tell, the footage is still great. Yeah, but my hand is super cold, so it's time for me to wrap up. So yes, you can definitely do low light with this camera, and you can also shoot in S-Log 2 in low light and actually have great results. Don't be scared to increase that freaking ISO. I think I'm kind of happy with my settings now with this camera. I should be super great with it now. Just gonna be like super creative now, vlogging, music content. So you know I have 2 channels, so subscribe to Junior's Vibe for my music content, and for my vlogs and whatever ideas, creative ideas I'll be having, will be on this channel. So like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one, guys.